If somebody sees a flash of light or a floater in the peripheral vision, it could mean that the retina is tearing, and if we can treat that early, then we can stop them from having vision loss, but if it actually progresses, they can have a retinal detachment, and then they can go blind.
I started seeing some very small, dark floaters in my eye, very, very tiny, almost you might miss them.
When patients get older, they a lot of times will chalk up their vision problems to aging, when in reality they have some issues with their retina that needs addressing.
Vitreous floaters got more and more spots, more and more squigglies, but I just figured as I was getting older, that was kind of normal. But then I had a subtle change in vision, peripheral vision.
And this is something that causes no pain and just some visual symptoms. So when somebody has floaters, they should consider that to be a sign that they should go get evaluated by a retinal specialist to make sure that they don't have a retinal tear or retinal detachment.
When I got here, as soon as he looked at it, he said, you know, yeah, you got a tear, and he did laser on it, and I was at work by 10:30 in the morning.
He did the procedure, you know, you don't really see what's going on, absolutely don't feel anything. And in my mind, I already had kind of thought that, well, this is going to stop the progression of this. Like I would at least not go totally blind in this eye. Never did I think it would actually get my vision totally back.
When this happened, I said, you know, if I don't know, and I should know, how many other people don't know what these symptoms are, and we ought to do more to get that information out there, because if you wait too long, then you have, you know, permanent damage. You can be blind in that eye.
So when somebody comes in and has floaters and they come in early, we can detect it early and they can have a retinal tear. We can use a painless laser treatment and weld that down, and then they would not have any vision loss.
For more information, contact Southern Retina or go to WTOC.com and click on Health.